Hey guys, iTechtics here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys a few iPhone settings you should consider turning off on your iPhone. These will help you get a better user experience, and these are also based on some of the settings that I personally turn off on my iPhone when I first set up. So let's start. First, I like to go to settings. I like to go over to general and head on over to keyboards. Under keyboards, I like to turn off autocorrection because oftentimes autocorrect will change words that I don't mean to type, and then when I go to tweet something or type something in a message, autocorrect will change the word to something completely different, so it does not work well for me. So every time I set up a new iPhone and autocorrects on keyboard, I always turn it off. The next feature is fairly new feature, but this one has to do with HomePods and it called transfer to HomePod. Go to settings, scroll down and head over to general, and right here AirPlay and hands off. In hands off, transfer to a HomePods allows you to transfer music as well as any other audio like phone calls directly to HomePod if you approach it. The only issue with this feature is that if you are in a phone call, it will continue asking you if you want to transfer that call to the HomePod if you walk by the HomePods while you are speaking, or if you are listening to music around the house and you walk by the HomePod, it will ask you if you want to transfer that music, and that notification continues to come and it's sort of annoying, so I do turn off transfer to HomePod. The next is Spotlight search. There is always many suggestions, but I don't necessarily use them, and this actually takes a battery because Siri suggestions is actually constantly tracking what are you doing. In order to provide those suggestions and Spotlight, if you don't need those suggestions, you can head over to setting, scroll down and search for the Siri and search. Now here you can turn suggestions in search off. When you head on Spotlight search, you don't see them any longer, and again this will help improve the battery life as well. Now the next feature I like to turn off is reachability on Touch ID devices. You can double tap on the home button and it brings the screen down halfway so you can access the entire contact with one hand. That is the purpose of reachability. So I don't like it often, so I go to settings, I head over to the accessibility, go to touch, and then I turn off reachability that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you know any of these. If you do turn them off, let me know in the comment box below. Have a great day guys. I will see you real soon.